How would you like to turn the entire web into your own personal AI design studio and plug it directly into the one, the only Canva? It sounds crazy, right? Take any image you see on the web and turn it into a motion masterpiece with unique avatars, talking faces, and much more with optional Yes Canva integration. Now, listen closely because what I'm about to share with you will absolutely blow your mind. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. What you are about to see is only available for this launch period at this special discount pricing of $27. No scarcity, no price hikes, no gimmicks. Hi, I'm Todd Gross. Come with me and step into the future with AI content creation with Synthesys eXtended. Are you ready to turn your creative visions into viral sensations? Well, say hello to Synthesys eXtended, where browsing, remixing, and creating come together to redefine the content creation of your dreams. Imagine this: transforming any web image into a stunning animated video with talking characters, or recreating visuals on the fly with just a single click. It's true. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Synthesys eXtended is your new reality. Here's how it works. First, you browse. Explore your favorite stock photo websites and gather inspiration from anywhere on the web. But then you remix. Hit the Synthesys eXtended button to instantly transform and generate captivating content. Then create. Export to Canva to create talking avatars or download your unique AI masterpiece. As you can see, no more grueling hours of editing or battling with complicated software. Synthesys eXtended does it all in mere seconds. But wait, there's even more. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping features that makes Synthesys eXtended a game changer. Stock image replication. Convert online visuals into breathtaking, copyright-free artworks. Character generation. Create one-of-a-kind avatars from any face you discover online. Canva integration. Effortlessly edit your creations with your favorite design tool. Lip sync technology. Make your characters speak fluently in over 120 languages. Pose control. Mimic any body language with uncanny precision. Text eye technology. Preserve text elements while reimagining entire images. Audio translation. Break down language barriers with one-click audio translation. Animated videos. Turn your generated images into dynamic videos with a single click. And here's the kicker: videos with talking avatars boost engagement by a whopping 65% and reach 42% more folks. Now that's why leading brands are harnessing the technology, this very technology, to skyrocket their online sales. With Synthesys eXtended, you can also redefine and upscale generated images effortlessly, create custom marketing materials in seconds, and produce multilingual audio and video content with ease. You could design scroll-stopping social media posts and generate captivating educational videos with AI characters. Now, it's your personal AI-powered creative studio, transforming the entire web into your artistic playground, so to speak. Now, ready to revolutionize your content creation? Get Synthesys eXtended now for a one-time payment. No watermarks, no monthly fees, and full commercial rights included. No gimmicks at this limited time rock bottom price. Plus, it's all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Browse, remix, create the entire web like never before, and watch your imagination come to life with just a few clicks. Get Synthesys eXtended now and join the content creation revolution. Unleash your creativity with Synthesys eXtended today.